Hi everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Danette Batisanan. I am one of the business consultant of Unified Products and Services, Entrep Hub, and Wealthy Lifestyle. So baka isa ka ngayon sa naghahanap ng negosyo na pwede mong simulan ngayong 2024. Welcome to our orientation for new entrepreneur. So ang negosyong ito ay online business. So bakit nga ba kailangan magsimula ng online na negosyo ngayong bagong taon or ngayong 2024. Why online business? Because unang-una po, this is a portable business na kahit saan ka, pwede mong madala. And of course, global privilege kasi kahit nandito ka sa Pilipinas, pwede mo maging market ang buong mundo. And of course, this is less operation expenses kasi sa maliit lang na puhunan, pwede mo nang simulan ng negosyo mo and this is a lifetime business. Alright, so welcome po to Unified Products and Services. Ito po yung pangalan ng ating company. And ang owner po nito walang iba, kundi a very humble person, Mr. Emmanuel Pascual. Siya po yung ating President and CEO. He is an accountant by profession and a successful business entrepreneur. At marami na rin po siyang natulungan. Okay, para mabago ang buhay. And now, Unified Products and Services ay na-establish last November 11, 2011 pa. So, ibig sabihin po, 12 years na tayo in the market. And marami din pong mga negosyo. Si Presi Manuel Pascual, ilan po dyan ang Rice Mart, Entrep Hub, F. Marie, Unified Generics Pharmacy, and marami pa pong iba. So, napag-usapan natin ang Unified. So, ang Unified ay legit, 100% legal po tayo. We are registered sa Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. And also, we have the SEC or Securities and Exchange Commission. And we also have the AMLA or Anti-Money Laundering Council. And nagbabayad tayo ng ating taxes sa BIR. Alright, so now, magkakaroon ka po ng one-stop shop business kapag ikaw po ay nag-franchise sa negosyo natin. You will have ticketing, remittances, insurance, bills payment, e-loading, online shopping, shipping lines, and travel and tour business. So, lahat ng ito ang magiging negosyo mo, one-stop shop business, gamit lang ang cellphone mo. So, paano ngayon ang gagawin natin? So, all you have to do, i-avail po natin ang main product, which is the unified system. Yung system po na ito is one-time investment. This is a lifetime business, no quota, no cash band, no renewal, no expiration, no maintaining balance required. And ang napakaganda dito ay pwedeng ipamana sa mga mahal sa buhay kung ikaw ay may mga anak at apo. So now, sa ticketing business, we have 406 airlines na ka-tie up, local and international or domestic and international. So, pwede tayong kumita dito through markup. Sa domestic flights, pwede tayong mag-markup 150 pesos to 500 per way, per ticket, per booking. So, now, pagka may lima kang na-book in a month, at round trip ang pinabook nila sa'yo, 5 times 500 times 2 kasi round trip, pwede kang kumita ng 5,000 pesos extra kahit nasa bahay ka lang. And we also have international na pwede kang kumita ng 700 to 1,000 pesos per way, per ticket, per booking din. So, kung may 5 ka ulit na na-book in a month, 1,000 ang markup mo at round trip ang ipapabook nila sa'yo, pwede kang kumita ng extra na 10,000 pesos. Okay na ba sa'yo yon? Alright, so next is, meron din po tayong remittance business. So, napakaganda isang remittance business kasi ang nagsusulputan na ngayon ang mga remittances like Cebuana, dating pawn shop, ngayon ay naging remittance center na. Alright, so kataya po natin si Cebuana, sa Western Union, Smart Padala, iRemit, and marami pa pong iba. And we also have GCash, alright? So ang ating remittance is 24/7 operational. So kahit gabi or madaling araw, pwede po tayo mag-transact kasi hawak natin yung system natin. Alright? So we also have the insurance na pwede natin pagkakitaan. Automatic maging insurance agent po tayo dito under Malayan and FPG Insurance. Ito po yung mga accidental insurance. And we also have the CTPL or Compulsory Third Party Liability. So, pag-usapan po natin yung accidental insurance under sa Malayan and FPG. So, we have the coverage ng 100,000 personal accident, dismemberment, and disablement. We also have the motorcycling accident, 50,000, burial assistance, 10,000, and fire cash assistance na 10,000. At ang good news nito, 300 pesos lang ang benta natin in a year. Valid for 1 year na po yung 300 pesos. Ang good news kapag ikaw po ay may e-cash system or unified system, 80 pesos lang po ang ibabawas sa fund mo. So, pwede kang kumita ng 220 pesos per policy. At kapag ka nakasampu ka in one day, pwede kang kumita ng 2,200 pesos extra gamit lang yung cellphone mo. Di ba? Napakagandang pagkakakitaan to. And we also have the bills payment na automatic magiging bayad center ka na sa lugar nyo. Pwede kang mag-cater ng mga billers or yung mga binabayaran ng mga bills natin monthly like Meralco, PLDT, Globe, and marami pa pong mga bills na binabayaran kasi tie-up po natin si Bayad Center na meron po tayong 2,000 plus billers na pwedeng bayaran sa system po natin. Alright? And we also have the loading business na hindi lang po local. We also have international loading in Singapore, in Dubai, in Hong Kong. And dito naman sa Pilipinas, all telcos ay pwede natin maludan. At 2 to 15% commission ang income natin plus markup pa. Alright? So, we have also online shopping na yung mga product po natin ay pwede natin itong ibenta sa online shop. Alright, so meron po tayong income dito na 30% kasi discounted po tayo sa lahat po ng product natin and this is a lifetime discount. Kaya pwede kang kumita ng 30%. Kung may 1,000 kang sales, meron ka ng 300 pesos na income. Now, we also have the shipping lines. So, shipping lines, we are tied up kay Togo Travel, Fastcat, and TransAsia. And we also have the travel and tour. So, hindi lang po local lang pwede natin i-book. We also have the international travel and tours papunta ng Hong Kong, Japan, Korea, at marami pa pong iba. Okay, ito po yung magiging negosyo po natin gamit lang yung cellphone natin. 'Di ba? Ang gandang negosyo. So, paano nga ba simulan yung negosyong to ngayon? So, now, ang kakailanganin mo lang ay i-avail yung starter package natin na worth 16,998 at included po dito yung magiging one-stop shop business mo na home-based ticketing business, remittance sa personal use, bills payment, loading, insurance, and of course, may discount ka sa lahat ng product natin. And you will have the free insurance valid for 1 year. At meron din po tayong mga marketing materials like tarpaulin, flyers, and kasama po sa ating ibabayad ang free training natin. And we also have mga free products. Okay? So, pagpipilian po natin kung anong mga gusto natin ng mga package. Kung gusto mo na magkaroon ng bigasan, we have the bigasan or Global Rice Smart Package. And we also have the F. Marie & Co. para po sa mga gusto ng cosmetics products. Pero lahat po ng yan ay magkakaroon ka din ng one-stop shop na ticketing business and other services. Okay? So, now, we also have this kind of franchise. Ang ating hub franchise. Okay? So, now, this is 599,000. So, kung hindi mo naman kaya ito, meron pa po tayong isa na ino-offer. Ito yung ating payment center or unified payment center. Okay? Ito po yung mga samples ng ating mga na-open na payment centers. And marami pa pong ibang nag-o-open sa ngayon. So, ang inclusions po nito ay magkakaroon ka din ng one-stop shop business. Pero ang maganda po dito, para ka pong wholesaler, mas mura yung mga ticket, mas kikita tayo ng malaki kasi mayroon tayong outlet. O kasama po dito yung 120,000 worth of freebies. Okay? And meron din po tayong voucher na worth 50,000. Alright. So, this is limited offer only. Kaya kung gusto mong magkaroon ng pwesto, ng negosyo, na Unified Payment Center, contact mo agad ang taong nag-send sa'yo ng link na ito. Alright, so with that, once again, my name is Daneth Batisanan. I am a former OFW pero ngayon, an online entrepreneur of unified products and services. Thank you and God bless.